How to log into DirectAdmin. You can log into DirectAdmin using server IP address and port number, such as https://IP address:2222. If your domain propagates, you can log into DirectAdmin using URL such as https://server.example.com:2222. Here server.example.com is your server hostname and 2222 is the port number. The port number may be different. You receive a welcome email from your hosting provider, containing the URL and login credentials, username, and password. After clicking the given URL in your welcome email, enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. Whether you are admin, reseller, or user, DirectAdmin offers 3 access levels. From this interface of DirectAdmin, you can manage your domain and perform other web hosting related tasks. Thank you for watching.